Welcome back. Now in this video we're going to be talking about some final processing options. And you're going to notice here inside of Sparkle Video Scribe they have many of the same options that most of the video creators have, and that is to save your presentation to your hard drive as well as to upload them to some video sharing sites. You'll see YouTube, Facebook, and in this case PowerPoint. You can also share it online through their website. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to click the save button. And when you do this, you are going to want to pay attention to a couple of things. Number one, you're going to want to be aware of the file. And in this case, Sparkle gives you the opportunity to do AVI, PNG, JPEG, WMV, or MOV. They also give you the opportunity to determine the size. Now, obviously, if possible, you want to go ahead and render in 1080, which is going to be full HD. The default setting is typically going to be around 30 frames per second. Now, what's going to be important about this is that in some cases, some of the software is going to produce an MP4, some is going to produce in MOV. You do need to change the file to MP4. So what we're going to do in this case is we're going to go ahead and we're going to produce this video, and then we're going to make changes to it so that it becomes an MP4. So let's go ahead and click the checkbox, and then we'll start the production process. So if the production process is now started, we're actually going to come back when the production process is complete, and then we're going to work with the file, which is MOV. Okay, so now that we have the file onto our hard drive, what we would do is we change this to MP4. And we could also use the rename command. Now this video is usable in just about any other setting. And typically when you will have one of those video creators to download in this format, it's changeable to MP4 just by renaming it. And so now that you've done that, you are now ready to bundle and deliver your animated video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.